Hey everyone, welcome. You hear that fire? That sound? It's alive. Just like life. Let me ask you something. Have you ever wanted to do something, but felt scared to start? Yeah, me too. More times than I can count. When I was young, I thought successful people were fearless. I thought they were special. I was wrong. They were just people who decided to move, even when they were afraid. That fear, it's a signal. It's not a stop sign. It's your body and mind telling you that something important is on the other side of that discomfort. It's a sign that you're about to stretch yourself, to grow, to learn something new. Think about it. When was the last time you felt truly alive? Chances are, it was when you were pushing your boundaries, even just a little. The truth is, nobody has all the answers before they begin. We learn by doing. We build confidence by taking that first step, then the next, and the next. It's not about being perfect from the start. It's about being brave enough to be imperfect as you figure things out. Every single person you admire started somewhere, probably feeling just as uncertain as you might feel right now. So, what is it that's calling to you? What's that spark you've been hesitant to fan into a flame? Don't let the what-ifs paralyze you. Instead, ask yourself, what if I try? What if this is the thing that unlocks a new passion, a new skill, a new part of yourself? The biggest regret isn't failing. It's never having tried at all. Take that first breath. Take that first step. You are capable of so much more than you might realize. Trust that you have what it takes to navigate the challenges and discover the incredible rewards that come from pursuing what truly matters to you. If this story helped you, like, comment, and share this video. For more motivational stories, subscribe and stay connected. Thank you so much for joining me today.